If your bevel corners in Blender are looking pinched, collapsed, or just plain messy, this quick fix is going to save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you how to clean up bevel corner pinching fast, so your model looks smoother and more professional without a bunch of trial and error. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more Blender tips and beginner-friendly workflows. All right, let's jump straight in. First, select your object in the 3D viewport. This can be any mesh that you're working on, whether it's a hard surface model, a product render, or just a simple shape you're testing on. Once your object is selected, go over to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. From there, click the Modifiers tab, which is the wrench icon. Now click Add Modifier and choose Bevel from the list. As soon as you add it, the Bevel panel will appear, and this is where we can start adjusting the corners. If you already have a Bevel modifier on your object, that's totally fine. You can use the same settings and follow along from here. Next, find the segment slider inside the bevel settings and increase it. At first, this might seem like it should improve the bevel, and in some ways it does add more detail. But if your corner topology isn't being handled well, you'll often notice the corners start pinching, tightening up, or even collapsing as the segments go higher. That's because more segments reveal exactly how the corners are being solved, so problem areas become much more visible. If that happens, don't worry. The fix is usually right inside this same modifier. Go back into the Bevel Modifier and open the Geometry section. This section controls how the bevel is actually built around the edges, and it includes an important setting called Outer Miter. Find the Outer Miter dropdown and click it. By default, this may be set to a mode that creates sharp or awkward corner behavior, which is often the reason bevels start pinching when you add more segments. Now change Outer Miter to Arc or Patch. As soon as you switch it, you'll usually see the difference immediately. The corners smooth out, the pinching disappears, and the bevel starts flowing much more naturally around the mesh. This is one of those small Blender settings that makes a huge visual difference. If you're modeling hard surface objects, furniture, props, or anything with clean edges, getting this right can instantly improve the quality of your mesh. It also helps your bevels look more consistent when rendered, and can make shading appear cleaner too. If you want even better results, it's a good idea to test the bevel width and segment count together after changing the Outer Miter mode. Sometimes a tiny adjustment is all you need to get the exact shape you want. And if the object is still showing shading issues, you may want to check your normals, apply scale, or make sure your edge flow is clean before beveling. But for the most common bevel corner pinching problem, changing Outer Miter to Arc or Patch is the fast solution you're looking for. It's simple, effective, and easy to remember the next time Blender gives you awkward corner results. So to recap, select your object, add or open the Bevel Modifier, increase segments if needed to identify the issue, then go into Geometry and change Outer Miter to Arc or Patch. That one setting can completely clean up your bevel corners. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Blender tutorials, quick fixes, and modeling tricks that make your workflow faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.